Hi, I'm Elisa with ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. I hope you're as excited as I am to dive into our pattern, Tidy Time. The potential uses for these mini mats and trinket trays are limited only by your imagination. And with their simple and addictive construction, you will want to find more reasons to make these great projects. The Tidy Time pattern includes instructions for 3 sizes of mini mats and trinket trays. That's 6 unique projects you can make with this one pattern. Tidy Time is part of our new Jumpstarters pattern line, so there are 3 pieces of soft and stable included with the pattern. With these 3 pieces, you'll be able to make 3 of these cute mats or trays. This is a great tool for those intimidated by binding. You can practice the skill before moving on to a larger project. Pro tip: be sure to use your ByAnnie stiletto. You can thank me later. The construction is only half the fun. Reduce household clutter by using Tidy Time to help organize your bathroom, drawers, or craft room. I know I've saved a lot of time looking for my keys by using the medium trinket tray in my entryway. Plus, the cushioning provided by Soft and Stable means no more scratching up my tabletop. At ByAnnie, we use the large trinket trays to hold writing utensils and spools of thread. The mini mats also make excellent travel mouse pads and an extra place to store loose pins and clips. Around the house, these are a great way to set up for tea time. You have a coaster for your mug and a cute tray to hold your biscuits. Tidy Time projects are perfect for kits or scrap busting because they require just small amounts of fabric and Soft and Stable. Along with the pattern and the 3 pieces of Soft and Stable, we've also created an add-on video with an overview of the steps to complete Tidy Time. Be sure to use the coupon that comes with the printed pattern to get the add-on video for free. These cute and simple projects are great jump starters to get your creative juices flowing. Ask for Tidy Time at your local quilt shop or find it at ByAnnie.com. And comment below how you plan to use Tidy Time. Let's see who can come up with the most creative use. We can't wait to see what you make and how you will use them, so be sure to share pictures of your finished projects with us. Find us on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and YouTube by using @PatternsByAnnie. Be sure to enter our monthly photo contest too. Thanks so much for watching, and happy stitching!